BMW GS 850, beautiful, beautiful bike, Enduro. We are going to show you how to use Renew Protect to restore, protect, and seal plastics, your rubber. We're even going to hit the tread face, which is a good idea for seasonal storage. And fully restore that with just a simple wipe on. Renew Protect on a bike. Wow, you're looking at a year to 4 years probably on longevity. We're going to seal that saddle. We cleaned it up, used a magic eraser, which is the way to go with vinyl to really pull the dirt out of that porous surface. I highly recommend magic eraser. Same technique on our grips, magic eraser. We're going to hit the seal all our flat metals too. You have an option here. You know, you could polish, obviously, use a polish on that, or Renew Protect Gloss, Renew Protect Black, depending. This bike does not have a high level of fading. In some areas we'll use the Renew Protect Black. Right there we've got some fading. Renew Protect Black to restore that. Otherwise we're going to use the Renew Protect Gloss, especially on our metals. Renew Protect Gloss will go on the saddle, the grips, our arm there. You could either use a polish on that or Renew Protect. You could go either way with rather flat metals. Same thing with plastics. Our box in the back looks a little beat up, so we'll wipe on and restore that. So let's get to it. Renew Protect penetrates, it soaks in, it becomes part of that surface. It literally interbonds, covalent bond into that surface. This makes a good explanation of our black and our gloss. This is the product. This is what you're doing. Applying a high level of solids, multiple UV inhibitors, UV blocks, and a dry nanoceramic seal. So this is gloss, allowed to dry. This is the black with the carbon black content. You can see the reflective values. That would be some of your sunblock elements there, as well as your ceramic elements. So what they do is form a covalent bond into the substrate. As you can see with the saddle, it is in there. It's part of the saddle and will be so probably for the next 2, 3, 4 years. And it'll keep the surface much cleaner. Fully dry seal safe. That'll be much easier to clean, to keep it clean. That porous surface has been sealed now with Renew Protect Gloss. That's a ceramic dry lock on there, and completely bike safe. This actually became a little more tactile, which you will discover with older vinyls, plastic, and rubber. It restores the plasticizers. You're restoring the surface and giving it the elastomeric qualities it once had, so it'll prevent dry rot and cracking. So the black is interbonding at this moment, is drying down into covalent bond into that porous surface of the rubber. This will very much give you a dry seal, totally bike safe, and dry rot prevention is the key here. And I also have a number of bike builders, award-winning bike builders, that will do this before a show. Dress out the whole tire, including the tire face. Just makes for a beautiful bike. So if you're dressing it out for seasonal storage, what we recommend is get it where you want it, get it in your garage, and then apply it, because the abrasion of the road is going to pull it off of this upper surface tread face pattern. It's going to pull it right off of there. So what you want to do is apply it, put your bike up for seasonal storage, and you're set. Now that 3200 PSI, that's our favorite way to demonstrate the Renew Protect bond. So your tread pattern is completely sealed up for seasonal storage, dry rot prevention. And again, once that hits the pavement, the abrasion will take this off immediately. Be better if it remained, but of course the abrasion of pavement and a 900-pound bike, yeah, it's coming off.